Why was bubble wrap originally designed as wallpaper? The surprising origin of this famous packing material will totally change how you see it today. Bubble wrap was invented in 1957 by two engineers, Alfred Fielding and Mark Chavins. Their original goal was not to protect packages, but to create a new type of textured wallpaper. They sealed two shower curtains together, trapping air bubbles inside. They thought this design would add a stylish, three-dimensional look to walls. However, the wallpaper idea never caught on because it was neither practical nor durable enough for home decoration. After realizing the wallpaper concept was a flop, Fielding and Chavins noticed how well the air bubbles cushioned fragile items. They pivoted to marketing bubble wrap as a packaging material in the early 1960s. This new use took off because the bubbles provided excellent shock absorption. It protected everything from glass to electronics during shipping. Today, bubble wrap is iconic in packaging, far removed from its decorative wallpaper roots. Beyond packaging, bubble wrap became beloved for its satisfying popping sound, often used to relieve stress. It also inspired innovations in materials science, such as inflatable cushions and insulation panels. This quirky invention has influenced industries from shipping to design, all thanks to an accidental discovery when wallpaper didn't work out. So next time you pop bubble wrap, remember it was originally meant to decorate your walls, not protect your packages. This surprising history shows how inventions can find unexpected success. If you love uncovering hidden stories behind everyday things, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.